Inspiring intellect, revolutionizing education. It is the vision that inspired a mission back in 2007. The mission of providing experiential learning commenced with the establishment of Mansarovar Dental College. Affiliated by Government Medical Health Science University and ranked as one of the best dental colleges in Central India, we offer students a blend of professional training and state-of-the-art infrastructure. Beyond conventional learning, Mansarovar Dental College has adopted different modes of activities like problem-based learning, fixed learning modules with integrated way of teaching and case-based studies. However, holistic education does not end at learning.
Being a universal restorative material, it can be used in Class 1 to Class 6 restorations.
We make sure that our students are rooted in the values of medical profession and maintain a global outlook. Mansarovar Dental College has a fully furnished dental hospital with 250 plus branded dental chairs. A good OPD ensures ample opportunities for students to do their hands-on practice works. State-of-the-art facilities like CBG, dental X-ray, ceramic furnace, and induction casting machines promotes quality education, research, oral health, and community service. We have a well-equipped pathology and physiology lab, prosthetics lab, dental material lab, biochemistry lab, microbiology lab, and anatomy department where students can demonstrate their valor and academic expertise. With the efforts of our well-experienced faculties and students, we have advanced in leaps and bounds.
Mansarovar Dental College offers students a combination of professional training and state-of-art infrastructure. We have more than 250 dental chairs which are attached with all necessary accessories. Both the medical and dental laboratories are well equipped to cater all needs. The institution is equipped with lecture theatres, complexes with multimedia amenities. Mansarovar College is ranked as one of the best colleges in the state of Madhya Pradesh. The students of Mansarovar Dental College have demonstrated their valor and academic expertise at various occasions. They have taken the college to an international level through their research papers, paper publications and lectures across the continent. We have regularly produced university toppers from our institution with the able guidance of our expert faculty members across various departments.
With the aim of developing trust, we provide isolated counseling by the experts where no queries remain unsolved and no issue remains doubted. Apart from high degree of professional skills, our students complement their success with amenities like seminar hall, reading room, and library with an overall capacity of 200 students and a collection of over 10,000 books and journals. 500-seater auditoriums equipped with digital sound system and movie screening facilities for amusement and educational affairs. Yoga and meditation room for health benefits. Separate girls and boys hostel with proper security arrangements. Hygienic mess and dining hall where over 350 students can have their meals together. The menu is designed to fulfill the nutritional needs and cater to a range of taste buds with all the cleanliness measures well followed. Bus facilities for easy and convenient transportation.
Mansarovar Dental College, Hospital and Research Center, Bhopal was established in 2007 by Sri Sai Gramathan Samiti. Since its inception, we have been trying to bring about a pioneer institution for dental education. Sri Sai Gramathan Samiti previously has established a number of premium institutions ranging from a school which is affiliated to CBSE to a nursing college which was established in 2005 and is recognized by Indian Nursing Council. A college for teachers education which was established in 2003 and is recognized by National Council of Teachers Education. In the sequence, our chairman, our very aspiring chairman, Shri Kamal Kant Tiwari ji, wanted to establish a pioneer in dental education, and that is when the inception of Mansarovar Dental College happened. Mansarovar Dental College, since the very beginning, has been working with the best of dental professionals as a teaching faculty or in the clinics. We have got state-of-the-art infrastructure. We've got the best labs. We have got the best facilities for the students as well as the patients who visit a dental hospital. We have got above 250 dental chairs. We have got lecture theatres which are fully air conditioned and are equipped with state-of-the-art audio and visual facilities. We have got recreation centres. We have got auditoriums. We have got classrooms with which are very airy, and we have got a very friendly atmosphere. I wish all the students who are appearing in their NEET examinations all the best, and I'm sure we are going to get a good lot of students who would like to come and join us in this very best dental institution in Central India. I'm very sure that most of you aspiring doctors are looking at illustrious career, and at Mansarovar Dental College we promise you the same.
At Mansarovar Dental College, we are utterly committed to a sustained process of improvement for the benefits of the students. Mansarovar is an initiative towards creating tomorrow's world leaders who are willing to change this world for better.